Hey guys, welcome back to Christian's Kitchen once again. So today I'm going to show you how to make a carrot cake. First thing you want is you need 2 carrots, washed, chopped and grind it in a grinder without water. So it's finely grinded, we'll keep this aside. Now we'll start with the dry ingredients. We'll put 1.5 cup of flour, then baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, then 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Add little bit of salt, and now we are going to sift it well. Keep it aside. Now we will start with wet ingredients. You need 3 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 2 tablespoons of orange juice, 3/4 cup of sugar, half a cup of butter or oil. Now let's beat it well. As we beat, let's add 3/4 cup of sugar. So beat it well till it becomes stiff peak. Now let's add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Add 2 tablespoons of orange juice. Beat it well. Now it's time to put butter. Add the dry ingredients slowly into the bowl. Okay, remember our carrot? Let's add carrot. Now our carrot cake is nearly finished, so we are going to transfer it to a pan. Now it's time for baking. Heat at 180 degree and keep it for 30 minutes. Our carrot cake is ready. So this is my dad, Dr. Subin Thomas. He is going to try our cake. Here's the cake. Tell me how's it. It's good. Thank you so much for coming and tasting my cake.
Keep it up.
Okay. Do let me know if you like the video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.